Hi, here we are going to learn linear graph and simultaneous linear equations. Here we are going to know about gradient. What gradient is? Gradient is always a slope. It is either positive or negative. If it is upward, it is positive, and if it is downward, it is negative. Gradient. To find gradient, we can use formula rise upon run. Always rise is on y-axis and run is on x-axis. Distribution of straight line is y equals to mx plus c. Here m is gradient of slope, here c is y-intercept, which is cutting point on y-axis, and x is a x-coordinate and y is a y-coordinate. And the point to remember is that gradient of horizontal line is always 0. Here means horizontal line having no slope, and it is always y-intercept. And the gradient of vertical line is undefined, and vertical lines means a straight vertical line having no slope, and the cutting point on x-axis is x-coordinate.